Hi YouTubers. We're planning to do a camping thing, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. Whatever you're making, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm cooking up some chicken breast. That's what I'm gonna do, and then the rest of it is gonna go to our thing and get frozen again. Yep, so that's what I'm doing today. I hate doing chicken. It always feels weird. So I'm taking it cheap way. Actually, it's not cheap way, but cheat way, basically, because I'm not gonna use a knife and just cut them the way I want them. So, yeah, we're gonna be camping. These are huge. And chicken. There we go. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I think I was gonna do like 4 of them. So kind of huge. Some kind of look huge some places. So yeah, I'm doing it cheap way. Yeah, chicken's already defrost. Tomorrow I have to do pancakes. And then I have to go downstairs and do my whatever you call that, laundry. I'm getting tired. Take your time. So, Kelly Miranda, you need to text me later. You see this YouTube, you're gonna text me later. Text me when you see this. Oh, my hand's getting cold. It's cold. Ooh. You see it like one chicken breast, maybe? I don't know. Maybe. God, my hand's getting tired. Pretty. Cut up some chicken. Cut up some chicken. God, it's so cold. Ain't that cold? Tired. Kind of grouchy. I don't think 2 will be plenty for My fingers can't. I don't know. My fingers can handle it anymore. Oh, my fingers are full. Oh, that's a good chunk. There's one. Good. So I hope you guys are having fun on your birthdays. And I'm with Kelly and her cousin. Oh, that's cold. They gotta soften it. Oh man, that hurts. Switch hands. Someone say happy birthday to them. And I'll see it later on. Let's see what we did they had. Today we had ham loaf and some green beans. What's we had? There's something else, but now I can't remember what the heck we had. And we had some cherries. So my friend can't have cherries. Allergic to cherries. Nothing I'm allergic to is bubble bath. Yep, I'm allergic to bubble bath. Lucky me, I can't have my favorite bubble baths. I can't have lilac, I can't have cherry blossom, and everything with cherry blossom is like addicting you. Like you want to have smell good, and you're taking a bubble bath, but I'm allergic to bubble bath. So found out when I was about 12 years old, I'm allergic to bubble bath. One of them days, so I can't have bubble baths. And that's my favorite thing in the whole wide world was bubble baths. I even tried them bath bomb things. Gotta be doing something with like chemical inside it or something, because I'm allergic to that too. So, yeah. Let's summer. I'm going camping. I need my friend to call me back or text me back, whatever she's on. Because this is cool. What's the word I want to say? Maybe that's enough. Camping chicken for a while. I'm gonna be there for 4 days. So this will be like chicken nuggets or fried chicken. These are these. So just shove out some chicken. Put in a skillet. You probably put like vegetables. Any kind of seasoning you want it. Yeah. I'm gonna get me something. My hand's so cold. I need to wash my hands in a minute. Cold. Probably still a minute, you know. Cold. Yeah,
see how cool my hands were.
Look how red they are. I got two of these. They should be good. I got two of these blue ones. They should be good to go. So some section like that. But yeah, I like this. Okay, this is ready to go. So, just wanted to show you another bag of camping food. It's going back in the freezer so it'll be nice and cold when we leave. I'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye, Kelly. Whenever you're gonna come back.